powerful moment going on. We had a moment of silence. Everyone was able to cooperate on that. And show a powerful movement. Powerful movement. Unity. That's what you're seeing right here.
Stay where you are, but let's back up, y'all. Let's back up. Let's back up. Let's back up.
I don't follow anybody else.
Everything that they can to try to make this man look like a criminal because they keep doing the same cycle. The only criminal is the four officers involved in the killing of George Floyd. So every night, they get mad when they want to try to talk about people being violent. Guess what? They've been violent since the beginning of time. Yes, back. We're gonna walk this way and we're gonna hit these streets. Take 2 steps back. Take 2 steps back. 2 steps back, 2 steps back. Take like 2 steps back. Just take 2 steps back. We're not trying to police you. All we're trying to do is that we're organized and also show them that we can exercise our Second Amendment rights. That's all. That's all. So if you can step back, if you can take a couple steps back, we got a couple brothers here that are packing, making sure that they we all do. Now let me say this. Let me say these 4 things and then we're going to go. Number 1, if you see an injustice happening in your community, step in. Hey, brothers. Hey, brothers. Hey, brothers. Hey. One of them other police officers want to step in. So in y'all community, y'all take care of your brothers and sisters. Don't just follow. Y'all might need to step in and sacrifice for your We're gonna come back to you.
All right, looks like we're moving.
George Floyd! George Floyd! George Floyd! George Floyd! George Floyd! George Floyd! George Floyd!
We about to go this way?
Come on. Black lives, you say matter. Black lives matter.